Look, I picked my son up and look at what he got.
Look at the heap of clothes that I have.
Image. Why you see you didn't buy me International Women's Day flower? Come and buy it this one. Give me the money. Let me. You bought the quantity we always buy every week. So. Ew, that one is not good. Yes, love. Ooh.
What do you call that one?
This side is clearer. Welcome back to my channel again. This is the beginning of another vlog, and we are going to be going along with my Sunday routine. And yeah,
such as a landscape or still life. Here are two examples of paintings of the realistic painting. On the right, an absolutely Kandinsky led him to enroll in the Academy of Fine Arts in Munich.
Hello?
This is another one.
Oh yeah, it's been a while. I saw you, so I was wondering what you've been all this while. We are back. I'm starting. Let me introduce the vlog properly. I'm starting this vlog, officially, because I've been up and down cliff flying and all that. We went out for shopping. Today is Sunday. On Sundays I put out grocery vlogs, so I'm trying to see if I will record the video now, edit it and post it later in the evening if I can. Today is the 9th of March. If I'm going to put out video today, but if I'm not, I'll put it on the 16th of March. Any of the days that I'm able to edit it, I'll put it. But normally in this channel I try to post video every Sunday for grocery haul, the things that I got. Some of the Sundays I end up not putting it. That is because I maybe travel somewhere that I did not do shopping for Sunday. So I don't want to pretend that I shop on Sunday when I did not shop on Sunday. We have to be truthful to ourselves. So if I don't shop on Sunday and I shop any other days, I don't put out grocery haul for that week. I have lots of clothes to fold, lots of things to clean up, so I'm going to make sure I carry you along all these things. My kitchen is messed up. What I mean is messed up. It's messed up. I'll just show you how my kitchen look like. So this is how messy my kitchen is. Do you see? Very messy. Look at round. I'm just taking you round. Those are the clothes I'm going to fold. These are the ones I wash. Those are the grocery, not grocery haul. Those are the groceries. So I will do cleaning. I'm going to clean. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. I'm so sorry before I go on. I didn't post for about 2 to 3 weeks every Sunday. I know I felt that I felt to do that because there's been a lot going on, so I couldn't record on Sundays because instead I'm on a journey. It's just like a lot has been going on, so I'm so sorry about that. Okay, but today I have a video for you today. It's going on the 16th of March or on the 9th of March. So I have a video for you today. Okay, I have a video for you today. This is the 9th of March. If you did not receive video on the 9th of March, then I guess you're watching me on the 16th now. So we are back from church. How was your service? Did you went to church or you did not? If you say you did not, I'm going to straight away pursue you to go to church. What's the receipt? I just took receipt from my son now. I hope I've not put it under these clothes. I just misplaced my receipt. Yeah, so if you don't receive this video on the 9th of March, you're going to be watching it on the 16th of March. I'm done recording the Sunday grocery haul videos. Now it's time to start folding clothes. As you can see, the heap of clothes that I have. God help me.
These are all the clothes that I'm going to be folding. They're all my children's clothes. So while we're talking, I'll just start folding immediately because I don't have strength to wait. Those are the ones that need iron and all that. I will still fold it. When I'm done folding it, then I can be from there just knowing whose clothes is whose clothes is whose. I'll know the ones that are iron and the one, and mostly the ironing clothes is not really that much. So I'm just going to iron maybe their uniform, and then maybe their uniform. Basically, that is what I'm going to iron. I'm starting with my baby's clothes, my little tiny baby. You see, most of my baby's clothes, they're just looking like they're not clean even when you've washed it, because my son my son will jump everywhere. And I know that I've lost weight though, but you see, sometimes I'll not see the way I'm looking pump up. I'll be wondering if I've lost weight. I'm on weight loss journey that is not even making sense. But God is helping me. So I will fold all these clothes. I don't know if I'm going to still be carrying people along. So what I always do is I hang some of the clothes on the hanger, put them in their wardrobe. I fold some of them, put them in the drawers and stuff like that. Like the undies are always in the drawer there, and then so I'm going to be fold. See, let's fold cloth. English has finished in my mouth. The pajamas goes to different. The pajamas goes to the same drawers. Their pajamas and their towels always goes to the same drawers or boxes, and then their bed sheets and all that. But yeah, that is it. I will see you all in a bit. This cloth don't need iron. Like this cloth doesn't need iron. It's elastic cloth, so the more you iron it, it will spoil it. So I'm not going to iron this one, but yeah, let me just clean up and all that. That's what I'm going to be doing. Good evening. Look at natural light. I didn't on my light, but look at how bright this is looking. Which way should I face so that you will see how natural this light is? So I'm done cleaning everywhere, arranging clothes, cleaning my kitchen. Somebody is coming. Look, just watch. My son is coming. Hi, what do you want? You want to drink? There you go. Thank you, ma. No. So I'm done cleaning everywhere. My kitchen is clean. I went to fix my bedroom and everywhere is looking tidy now. So I want to cook now. Bye. You know how it was before, isn't it? So it's all cleaned up. I've cleaned, arranged, and everywhere is clean. Those are my phone charger and then the mic case. This mic that I'm using, the case that is there. And then here is just like my children. We can't put these chairs down there because my son is now climbing everywhere, so he will climb on that. And those are the clothes that I sort out. I'm still going to wash. The other one is washing. Those are my hot water bottles. It's getting warm now, so we are going to take out those water bottles there and then keep them away. And everywhere there is cleaned up, tidy, and yeah, you see everywhere is clean, organized, and I mean I love that. This is just one artwork that I did, like a fountain. I made this like a fountain. Yeah, so that is the artwork I made with my kid. It's just like we made like a fountain there. The water is coming from the fountain, and these are just beds by the side of it. So I am going to be cooking some uh loaded pasta. That is the name, loaded pasta. So Let me start. Do you know what? I did not defrost tomatoes from the freezer. I totally forgot. I did not defrost the tomatoes. I did not defrost the mixed blended pepper. I have tomato puree, but I did not defrost. You know what? Let me go and, while I'm talking like this, let me just go and get it because. So this is it. I will defrost it with my microwave. You see, after cleaning, how my nails is looking now. Look. After cleaning them, look at that. This is the, I'll be using this because loaded beef is made with this. So I'm going to make the loaded beef, and then we'll pick up from there actually. So that is just it. Hi, I'm out here. I'm going to pick my kid from school. I should have brought my mic. I didn't. But let's go and get the kid from school. It was raining, so that is it. I guess the noise is too much here. Cars are passing and all that. Look, I picked my son up and look at what he got. He got his graduate award. I'm very happy. Look at that one. Look at that. We are out. We are going for a walk. I don't know if you can hear me, but we are going for a walk with my little one. I made my daughter a very beautiful hair. Let me show you how beautiful the hair is. But we are going for a walk. Today is Saturday. Since the last time I picked up this vlog, today is Saturday, and we are going out for a walk because I don't want to sit at home just like that. So let me show you my daughter's hair. I didn't bring my camera. I should have brought my mic actually. Come, let me show them your hair. Turn around. Look at the hair I made. Turn. Look at how beautiful the hair look. So yeah, we're on our way. Let's go. Do not run too fast before you fall down. Watching on the puddles. What if the water splash on your body? The reason why they have to wear well is because you see her jumping on the puddles. If she didn't wear that well, the shoe would have been dirty. Which way? Come on. Drop it. Aye. Drop the stick.
That looks like stone. Stone thing.
It's a crafted rock. Stop. Can't remember when last I picked up my camera to record and continue with this vlog, but yes, that is just everything that happened to me in about some few weeks. So yeah, I will end it here. I just gave my son food. He's asleep. The older ones are in school now. It's almost time for pickup, and I'm here at home alone. I washed some clothes, tidied up the room, did some laundry that I need to even go and turn it to dry and all that. And it's a very sunny day out there. I will end this vlog here. I will see you in another vlog, but then always remember that Jesus loves you so much. Bye.